Hey guys, welcome back. We are headed to Ennis for their Bluebonnets Festival.
Bluebonnets!
I do have wife with me again today,
Hi, that's me.
and she's caffeinated.
Woo! That wasn't a very good one. I feel like I need to do that again. Will you say that again?
I have wife with me again today, and she is caffeinated.
Woo! My voice
There we
cracked on
go.
that too. Oh well, that's gonna be good enough.
And we are headed to Ennis for their Bluebonnets Festival.
Ennis the Menace.
And I don't think we ever participate in their the festival. We just go look at the Bluebonnets.
Yeah. Now normally we don't go on festival weekend, so this is the first time we will be. It's probably gonna be a little bit crowded. We just passed a dead turkey in the road. It's whatever. We're making it work.
It definitely was not a chicken.
A turkey maybe though? Are you gonna let me have that?
I'll let you have it. It could have been a turkey.
Could have been a turkey. Them daggone wild turkeys.
We did see dead turkeys in Natchez, remember?
Yeah.
That's where you called me names.
Yeah. Maybe if you guys look closely, you can see some of the Bluebonnets and Indian paintbrushes on the side of the road. Maybe
Yeah, there's
even
quite a few of them.
some moo cows. It's a gorgeous day today. What is the number of the day that's man-made? Is it the 12th or the 11th?
Today is the 12th.
Yeah,
correct.
1-2.
Yeah, today's the 12th. I sure hope it's the 12th. I was putting the 11th on all the stuff I did yesterday at work, so.
Huh.
And this is a really nice ride out here. It's about, I don't know, like an hour and a half from our house.
Yeah.
And it's like this pretty much the whole way. It's really peaceful.
It's sunny, 75 degrees, beautiful too. Woo!
Yeah, today is definitely spring. Spring is officially here.
Some would say it's sprung.
It has sprung. Oh man, I look forward to this every year.
Me too.
Going out here to see the Bluebonnets and everything.
Uh-huh. Probably need to tell y'all we've already been riding for an hour of it, so.
Yeah, we have.
Hi, cousin.
I don't like doing like those hour and a half long videos. I feel like the 30-minute videos is where it's at.
Yeah, even that's a bit much.
Yeah. I mean, sometimes the ride is worth the hour and a half. Like Twisted Sisters video, I'm expecting that one to be pretty long.
Yeah. Hopefully it's so packed that it's like stop and go traffic, but we'll see. This is like Texas culture to come see these blue flowers. And Texas go hard about Texas.
Yeah. Texas loves Texas more than anything.
That's very true.
Texans are more loyal to Texas than they are to the United States.
For sure.
Because anytime somebody says anything, they're like, well, we need to succeed.
Yeah.
It's been 4 years of people talking about that. I wonder what else there is to do out here.
You know, I mean, downtown Ennis is cool, but that's where the festival's going on.
Oh, yeah.
I guess we'll stop by this park. We've been to this park twice now, right? Is this the third year in a row we've done this?
This is the 4th year.
Is it?
Yeah, because we started in 21.
Huh. I don't have those pictures. I don't know. But there's another spot in town that maybe if we're feeling it, maybe. We'll just gauge how busy it is. There's another loop ride that I want to try while we're out here.
Okay.
Come over with me.
What is this guy doing?
We're going too slow, apparently.
Oh.
70 was too slow on this construction road.
All right. I just looked up and saw a truck.
I mean, the speed limit's 65. We're going 72.
It's all right. He's probably having a rough day.
Man, I feel the warmth in the air. We're preheating.
It could stop right here, though.
For real.
And I'd be all right with that.
Me too. I'd ride my motorcycle everywhere. I'd ride it to the grocery store.
It is a grocery getter. I'd definitely have to get you a tour pack then.
I should find that picture of freshly after COVID, I rode the lowrider to Walmart to pick up toilet paper.
Yeah, I remember that. You're like, I got bungee cords.
I keep them things on me.
We talked about getting food, but I'm pretty full from gas station snacks.
Yeah, I'm okay right now. I guess we'll just see what we're feeling after, but right now I'm good. I'm happy. That restaurant is in downtown where the festival is, so that's off the board.
Oh yeah.
It's really weird riding on the left side of the lane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there a Harley dealership out this way anywhere?
No, I wish there was. You're going to have to go on 45 North, and I think it's Longhorn is the closest one. If you want to go, it's another hour and a half out the way. It's a pretty day.
I thought Waco would be the closer one.
We're kind of, Ennis is right in the middle between Dallas and Waco. Actually, no, that's not even right. Waco's off of I-35, and Ennis is off of I-45. So, they should have one right here. This would be a good spot to put one.
It would be, yeah. My body keeps wanting to naturally push me back into the
Over to the left. I know.
mayo.
I know. And I feel weird over here too. Like, what are you doing?
Because I'm a mayo rider and you're a mustard rider, but we switched. I don't know if I had a Brujo moment or something, but I don't want you close to these cars today.
Okay. Yeah, we should explain to everybody. You see my bare hand? Will told me to leave my ring at home because it's loose. He said, leave that at home for today because we don't want to lose it out in the Bluebonnets. Whenever we go to Bluebonnets, treat it like family spring photos. These are our annual pictures together. Everything is so beautiful and green, and the trees all have leaves. And you gotta catch the bright green for the next 2 months before everything is roasted to death in July and
Dead.
August.
Yeah.
Because then everything just looks brown and thirsty. We tried to get a little closer recording spot for y'all so that there wouldn't be dead space, but we're in the middle of nowhere country land, so if there's dead space, sorry. Just enjoy the ride.
Yeah, there's not much going on out here. I think all we talked about on the way here was where we're going to build a barn dough at.
Pretty country houses.
Like that one.
Husband loves looking at houses.
I really do. And Bluebonnets.
And Bluebonnets.
And Indian paintbrushes.
Yeah, yep. Indian makeup brushes. Is that sacrilegious? Do I need to take that back? Don't come for me, Texas. I'm sorry. It's just a joke.
I don't know. I don't think it is. It could be. I wonder how they got the name Indian paintbrushes.
I don't know, but I won't lie. I'm not from here, so I can say some out-of-pocket shit. I like the Indian paintbrushes more. I feel like they pop louder. That's the bright orange ones.
Yeah.
And they really clash beautifully with the blue. What were you going to say?
I wonder if they are, you know, some flowers you can touch the petals or whatever and the
Color
the
transfer?
pollen on them. Yeah, the color rubs off on your hand like the pollen.
I don't know. We'll see today. Isn't it? Didn't you tell me last time it was illegal to pick bluebonnets? So you were like, don't do that.
Yeah, I believe it is. Hey, cousins. Those were technically brothers, not cousins, all right?
Brothers.
Brothers.
I want a pet cow so bad.
Let's go get one.
I just go outside and pet it every day like, hey, how's cow life treating you? That's good. I want to be a cow, but I want to be a cow with somebody like me that just wants to have me as a pet. Because otherwise, I just want to be outside basking in the sun, eating some grass, doing some moos. You know?
Doing some moos.
Yeah, just let out a little moo every now and again. Just a little.
Did I ever tell you the story about our pet cow?
Yeah, go ahead.
And my stepdad
Yeah.
named it after my mother. And I thought she was going to lose her absolute shit on him.
Well, I don't blame her.
She said, "What did you name that cow?" Say it one more fucking time. And he said it with his chest.
On the way here, I told Will if I were to ever get pregnant, I would never make him get rid of his motorcycle. And he said, well, that's good, because I sure would hate to see you be a single mother. Ha ha.
I thought it was pretty funny. She didn't.
I said, skirt. Grand Wagoneer. It's actually warm outside. I feel the sun warming my skin. It's wild.
I'm expecting a sunburn.
When's the last time? The last I felt that is our vacation in Eureka Springs.
Really?
Yeah. Like actually feeling a little warm, like maybe I might perspire a little bit today.
I miss the summertime where you peel off your helmet and you're like, ugh.
Ugh. And you got to put it back on.
Yeah.
Ugh.
You put it on and it's almost dry, so the inside of it's all cold.
And musty.
Yeah.
Smelling like booty sweat.
My helmet doesn't smell like booty sweat.
You should do that clip from Tropic Thunder.
Man, I'm thirsty. Might as well have some of this booty sweat I got back in Da Nang.
Don't you love that movie?
Yeah, it's one of the. It's on the list of movies that could not be made now.
No.
And those are usually the funniest movies.
A baby goat. Oh, I'll take one of them. A baby goat.
A baby what?
A little baby goat. We just passed them.
Oh.
I want a miniature goat with an attitude.
I just want to see a baby goat kick Marty.
Yeah. The humbling treatment.
Yeah, just jump up and parkour off his face. Dude, they spelled school wrong.
I didn't see it.
Oh. Hey, we're in Ennis now.
Ennis the Menace.
My dad used to bring us out here all the time when we were younger because they have the drag races here.
Yeah. I'd love to go to that with you.
They also have the drive-in theater here, don't they?
Is it here or is that in Waxahachie? I can't remember. Is it here?
Yep.
Yeah, it's here.
It's been a while since we went to that.
Yeah, it has like 8 years. 9 years.
Yeah, what was the last movie we saw there? The second Guardians?
Tupac and something else.
Did we see the Tupac movie there?
That was one of them that was showing, and you could just look over and see it, you know?
Oh.
So it was like a long time ago. We'll have to look up what year Tupac came out. I think that was when I first moved here, and you were really wanting to impress me. Aha, civilization.
It's another one of those gas stations named after you.
You're funny. You're a cutie.
It wants us to turn to the left.
I feel really weird being off the left of you.
Hi, wife.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. Hey. Don't do that. You don't do that. I'll honk your horn.
I sure hope so. I'll butter your biscuit. What was that?
Hey, buddy. Oh, man.
Oh,
We don't have any monies.
you say it wants us to turn left on the service road?
It does?
Yeah.
Huh. Oh, it's probably diverting us from the festival. So I'd listen to that.
Yeah. There's a McDonald's over there, too.
McDonald's. And a Taco Bell. A bell of tacos.
And a Buc-ee's. See the Buc-ee's sign? Exit now.
Oh.
I didn't know Ennis had a Buc-ee's.
Me neither. Oh, my belly hurts. Apparently, if you drink 2 Starbucks and eat a couple of packaged pastries. Oof. Sorry, everybody.
Yeah, this is not exciting.
Welcome to DFW intersections.
That's all right. We're about to get on the highway.
You should play Jeopardy music over that. Bing, 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 bing.
Is that a Taco Cabana that's still open?
Whoa!
Nope, they're not open.
Are we getting on?
On.
Oh, woohoo! Yo, yeah,
Ready?
brother. Yep. I don't have a cam. Wait for me. I just have a 107. That makes husbands' gonads feel huge.
Whatever. I thought you were right behind me. I thought.
No.
That's why I said, "Are you ready?"
No, I don't have the cubic inch capacity.
All you need is a cam.
A cannelloni and cheese.
We're taking 247.
Okay.
Go over there.
Oh yeah, that's right. Supposed to butter a biscuit. We're on I-45. That's the risky highway. Or are we on 287?
We're on 45 right now. We're taking the exit to get on 287
Oh,
to Waxahachie.
just call me Kaylee for Columbus. Because I know where I'm at.
Again, everyone going slow. But we are in the right lane, so
Yeah.
I think we established in last week's video that the left lane is for crime.
Husband learned a new trick on that video.
Yeah. I ain't trying to get a ticket in the mail.
Think they can do that?
I think that's what they did to that one YouTuber. Was it Jixer Bro or something like that?
Oh, yeah.
Remember, he was doing a fast motorcycle trip from like Las Vegas to somewhere in Arizona or something. And from what I understand, he was going like 140, 150 miles an hour the entire way. And Las Vegas, I think it was Las Vegas, put out a warrant for his arrest.
Oh, shoot.
I think it was him. I'll find the article and put it up. It's taking us back to, we're taking the exit for 34.
Okay.
We were on 34.
I know.
That was weird.
We'll just trust it.
Yep.
It has to be rerouting us around downtown so that way we don't run into the mess. Which I'm thankful for.
Yeah, I didn't ever remember doing that. I remember us going straight under the highway.
Yeah, me too.
Sometimes Siri knows best. You want to go around this guy?
Sure.
You want to put some stank on it this time? Hey, look at why. Keeping up with me.
Whatever. Across the highway. Hi, brother.
It was the highway last time.
I don't know. It's a nice highway.
Yeah, it is.
This is how I wish 380 was at home.
I think that's what they're trying to do.
I hope so.
But no, they're probably going to do that chip and seal bullshit on it, that Texas Band-Aid.
Probably. Ooh, for a second you got me scared. I thought we were exiting there and you didn't say anything.
No. I usually try to tell you.
That's right, you told me 34. Duh. Where am I at today? I think I'm just so happy to be outside in the pretty weather. I'm just letting husband be the captain today. Like, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
I didn't want to say I told you so, but
Shh.
I told you so. This Exxon is the one I was talking about before.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yep, I'm coming too.
That's right across the street from the school. Remember,
Yep.
there's the school.
Yep. Sure do.
That's why I was like, I don't remember that being very far from the Bluebonnets.
Maybe it's because we've always come in
Down
on
34?
45.
No, we've come down 34.
We didn't come in that way. We went home that way.
Did
Remember?
we? No. I don't.
We usually go 20 to 45.
Hey, they got a Fuzzies there.
Hmm.
When was the last time you had a fuzzy taco?
Been a while. The seasoning on their chips is delectable.
Hey, brothers.
Brothers. And Allsups. Woo! Those burritos will put a hurting on you.
Those burritos are a gift from God himself.
Clean you right out.
We're turning in half a mile.
Aha, I remember where we're at now.
Yep, we're turning to the right.
To the right, to the right. Turn your motherfucking bike to the right.
We are. I really like all the houses on this road. We comment on it every time.
Look at all the people coming back from Bluebonnery.
Bluebonnery.
There's a lot of slow maneuver bike manipulation we got to do here, so hope your knuckles are warmed up.
My knuckles?
Yeah, your knuckles warm? You got
Yeah,
them?
they've been dragging the ground all day.
You'll never let that go. The one time I roasted you, I hurt your feelings bad. I'd rather have long arms than short Matthew McConaughey arms.
Does Matthew McConaughey have short arms?
Yeah, you should look it up. They don't match right. They're too short.
What?
Yeah, for real. Like his thumbs are where his belly button is. Like,
No, they're not.
And you know what they say about short arms? Short sleeves.
See where he wears a short sleeve coat. I've never noticed that.
Yep, he has short arms. At least he didn't walk like Leonardo DiCaprio.
Does Leonardo DiCaprio have short arms too?
No, he just walks while swinging his arms. You remember that picture of him walking a little too happy down the street?
Yeah.
We'll have to look that up too for the people. You know what this trail reminds me of right here? Both videos I've seen of her two wheels and Ride to Food when they go see the manatees, and it's like rocky sand to get down there.
Yeah.
This is like the Texas version of that, to go see some flowers. Meadowview Nature Area.
Go see some. Oh, what the fuck?
Packed as fuck. Wow. Shoot. When we see an open spot, we're just gonna have to take it.
Part of the fun is going around the entire thing.
Woo, my foot slipped on gravel.
Don't do that.
Here, let me arrange my butt cheeks where I can, yeah, there we go. Got our butt cheeks in order. It's hot in this helmet.
Remember, Stanley said, watch out for rattlesnakes.
That's right, no rattlers.
You know why there's rattlesnakes in bluebonnets?
Why?
Because mice eat bluebonnets, apparently.
Oh.
And rattlesnakes eat mice.
Oh, look at the cute puppy. It's a
Kinda dog
fuzzy
is that?
wiener.
Is that what it's called, a fuzzy wiener?
That's what I'm calling it. It's cute. It looks like it wants to be Buddy's friend.
Buddy has two friends, and it's only because we forced him to be his friend.
This is normally where we pull off over here, but
It's too packed.
hopefully your front-facing camera is picking up all these people out here bluebonning it.
They're bluebonning that shit.
Aw, I love the puppies.
We need to pull over somewhere so I can make Siri shut the fuck up.
If you want, we can stop for a second and you can just...
No, she's got a... She started with her, proceed to the route. Proceed to the route. There we go. Okay. Turn right. And I'm like, bitch, there's nowhere to turn right.
Wow, look at that teal Jeep. Yes! I just want it yellow. These are some pretty good...
I want to see a Jeep make a turn and all their ducks fly out the window. Look at all those brothers up there.
Brothers!
Whole lot of brothers.
I'm gonna single file. Yeah, I'm gonna do that and just have some space.
Yeah. That Indian looks like a road glide.
Look at that white road glide. You look so fucking good, bitch. How am I gonna do this? I'm about ready to just ride this bitch off in the field. Huh?
We'd have to play Waylon Jennings
What
while
song?
we did that. Oh, the Dukes of Hazzard song.
Oh, she's doing pregnancy pictures on the picnic table, and she's got a flower crown, girl. Those are gonna look so good.
And she's got a what?
She's pregnant, and she's in a white flowy dress, and she's sitting on top of the picnic table, and she's got a white flower crown on too. Those are gonna hit.
Oh, I see it.
But my bike is hot.
Well, yeah. It's air cooled. There ain't no air.
Come on,
Ain't
people.
no air moving.
All the girls stomp your feet like this. Every time been around that track.
Hey guys, we'll be back when we get parked.
Yeah. Sorry. Traffic jam.
You want to take this one?
Sure.
With that big ass stump.
And this way the bikes are leaning the correct way onto the kickstand. I don't like when it leans down.
Okay guys, we are back. We are leaving the Bluebonnet field now. And there's a lot of people here today.
Yeah, it was packing. It's beautiful though.
I always enjoy coming out here and always get some banger pictures.
Yeah. I take full advantage of husband liking this one. Wow, up here is wide open.
Yeah, because all the pictures are, all good spots are down there by the lake.
Yeah.
What lake is that? Do you know?
I'm gonna, oh man, I hope I'm not wrong. Lake Bardwell?
We'll look it up when we get home. Because I'd like to find out where that pier is and see if we can get some pictures down there one time.
Yeah, that'd be cool. People going the wrong way. We can't ride on grass.
Fucking dumbasses.
Sorry, YouTube. They are dumb. But it's all these people that parked over here that give them the impression that they can do that.
I feel like there used to be something painted on the ground over here that said, like,
Turn this way.
yeah.
I did enjoy that as a walk on the times that weren't busy, you know?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Gravel. I was heavy breathing through that one. Anyway, crack my helmet. Woo!
That wasn't that bad.
Gravel on an incline. It's a little tough when you got a fairing in the way and you can't see what you're directly riding on. So you're just kind of feeling her out.
You only YOLO once. I wonder if the people that live on this street are used to all this, all April long. Oh, I'm sure.
It's kind of what you sign up for, right?
Hopefully they're told about it beforehand.
Like, hey, people travel from the entire state down this road to come see these bluebonnets. Well, they know about it because they're holding a garage sale. That's smart. If we had a car, I'd be like, pull over. You always want to stop at the garage sales at the nice houses. I had a blast.
You had a blast?
Yeah, thank you for coming.
Absolutely.
You should
Like I
post.
said, I look forward to this every year.
I want you to post some of my model pictures. The one with my foot painting and pointing in the air.
I will. Right here.
Sears catalog. Do you want to hire me? Is Sears even still a thing?
I don't think so.
The millennials were the last generation that got to pick their Christmas presents out of the Sears catalog.
Yeah, I remember doing that. I remember my grandparents had it, and I remember circling what I want, dog ear in the pages, and writing will in the circle.
Yeah.
Like subtle hints, you know?
And it was Power Rangers, so they knew. They're Ninja Turtles.
No. Never enjoyed Power Rangers. Power Rangers, to me, was a ripoff of Voltron. And you're probably too young to know Voltron.
Yeah, I don't know Voltron. Ah, yes. The generational divide.
Yeah. Voltron was like the Power Rangers, except they were all big cats.
Okay.
And they were robotic. And they would get in them and they would power them, and then it would turn into like this big mecha suit, the way the Power Rangers would all come together and have one big suit.
Well, now that kind of feels like a Transformer, or not at all, because a Transformer is one singular thing. Are we turning left up here?
Right here.
Left.
Left.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Turn left here. There we go. That's the sentence structure we're looking for.
Not right here, but 20 feet in front of us. Oh, there's a sign. This is Bluebonnet Trail. And they got bluebonnets in their front yard. That's what I want.
We just bluebonned hard as hell.
Yeah.
We were like down off in them.
Come on.
If y'all could feel that breeze.
If Natasha could tell them how that breeze felt. She's like, thanks. My jugs are hot. Well, guys, we are ending our video here. We will see everybody next week. And y'all be safe, and we'll talk to you then.
Okay, bye!
Did you know that if your ass crack went the other direction, it would clap whenever you ran upstairs?
You said Natasha's jugs were hot.
Hot and sweaty jugs.